our 120 voltage meat and food processor. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length, have at least 11.5 inches. Depth, 13 inches. Height with legs, 13.5 inches. And without will be 12 inches in height. Included will be the waste tray and accessories for cleaning the top area for dispensing your meats and food. Also here are your utensils. The top can be removed for easy cleaning with the accessories that will be included with this unit. Left and right handles for easy mobility. The waste tray, and also included 2 stands in replacement of the 1, 2, 3, and 4 legs that can be detached in replacement for the stand. So all that's needed is removing the feet underneath. That way you can mount the right and left stand. And last but not least, the measurement for the waste tray. We have 10.25 inches in height by 7.5 inches in length. In the back will be your 110, 120 connection and the power switch. For all other questions, give us a call and visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.